Hi there. Let me take you to the Zilingo production software and how the Endline QC module is currently being implemented across factories. The software uses simple, easy-to-use technology to make factory flows more efficient, improve quality, and automate data reporting on the floor. A QC manager assesses the garment quality and puts the results onto the platform through a simple touch surface or a tablet. This information will be immediately communicated to the entire factory floor via screens placed along the assembly line. The software also gives the floor manager a live overview of the line performance. However, it doesn't stop there. The factory owner has access to RealTime Analytics, which is in-depth and summarizes all data directly on their mobile phone using a highly intuitive interface. Using an easy-to-use software, the QC manager inputs the production data directly into the tablet, which is located at the end of each production station. The production output can be tracked with an easy traffic light system. The interface comprises 4 colors which categorize the garments by quality. Green. It represents that the product has passed the quality testing. Yellow would indicate that the product is defective and should go back to production. The software enables you to highlight an issue with the relevant operation and lets you mark the defect location on the garment silhouette. Blue will indicate that the product has been reworked and rectified, whereas red, which reflects that the product is outright rejected and hence goes into the reject pile. The line dashboard is a real-time scorecard of each production line. The KPI view shows the plant to performance data, manpower of the line, and how the line is doing in terms of achieving the targets. The quality view shows the measles chart of the defect distribution on the silhouette and top defects and defective operation. The production control board shows an hourly breakdown of the efficiency, defects, and the output of the line. The central dashboard shows an aggregated view of the overall production of the entire factory. It acts as a decision-making tool which shows a real-time statistics coming from all the production lines of a unit. The Analytics app allows the factory owner to assess in-depth performance analytics. However, Zilingo production software, which include cutting, finishing, packing, and PO management, can be implemented throughout the factory for end-to-end visibility. This cloud-based software can be accessed remotely through laptops and mobile devices. There is no longer a need to be seated behind a desk in a factory, as now production performance can be tracked anytime, anywhere.